Kit Reid from Arcade Door Systems. Today I'm just going to do a small video of how to tighten up your bar handle. Alright, so this is an example of a bar handle that's come loose. Okay, it's no good for the door. You run the risk of pulling the lugs out and damaging it. So this is something that can be done at home, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So for this, you need to get yourself a set of Allen keys, like that. A 3mm Allen key is the one that we use for these grub screws. Get a hopper. At the top of the fixing bracket for the handle is where the grub screw is located. I'm just going to show you that now. So there's your grub screw, okay, and that's what we need to tighten. So what I do is I push the handle in firmly into the door and into the bracket. I then turn clockwise with an Allen key until I feel it starting to bite. I get my Allen key and turn it horizontally then, and I get a good wrench just to really firm up that fixing. Okay, and just make sure it's really tight. That is absolutely solid. Also check the bottom one, because both of them work together to hold the handle firmly to the door. I'm just going to tighten this one up as well. And there you have it, solid handle.